Hello pilots, welcome back to the ramp here at Sporty's Pilot Shop. Each month we come up with a new product checklist for our pilots at Sporty's, pick our top 10 favorite products that we've added in the last month. This is the new product checklist for October 2024. Number one on our list is the long-awaited Charlie Rudder pedals. We've been waiting for this thing for feels like eternity, but now they are finally here. And this complements the Alpha and Bravo that many of the flight simmers out there already have. The Charlie Rudder pedals are high quality, has toe brakes, slides back and forth, and has an adjustable tension knob on the back of these. We have a complete demo video available if you want to check it out right here. Number two on our list is the Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses. These sunglasses incorporate some additional technology. They have a built-in battery and speakers so I can listen to music while I'm not in the airplane. They also have some AI functionality that is really cool. Check out our Pirate video here. Number three on our list is the GoPro Hero 13. This is the latest and greatest from GoPro. It has improved slow-mo recording, improved visibility in low light conditions, and an even better battery for those long cross-country flights. But what good is the GoPro if you can't record audio to it? Here at Sporty's, we developed a flight gear audio input cable, and this cable has two ends for it, so I can connect a GoPro as well as a smartphone to it at the same time and have audio recording in the cockpit. It'll record audio to both devices at the same time, so you have an adapter that goes to your GoPro as well as an adapter that goes to your smartphone with a Type-C connector. Number five on our list is this Challenge Coin set. Pilots are all about recording their achievements, and this Challenge Coin set has a first solo achievement as well as a private pilot achievement in it. We're able to personalize the outside of the box with your name right here on the cover as well. Number six on our list is the all-weather flight gear tie-down. And these tie-downs have these nice, really heavy-duty straps and a cam buckle. So all you do is you snap it to the top of your wing and then pull down. There are three different straps included, two 10-foot lengths as well as one 6-foot length, and they all come in this nice storage bag. Number seven on our list is TrackIR, and this little device is perfect for your flight simmers out there that want to move the camera angle without moving keys or toggle switches. This little piece here goes on your hat, and this goes on your monitor, and it will track your head movement. So to look outside the aircraft, you can just move your head to the side, and the camera angle will pan over. The folks at Sporty's Aviation Gifts came up with this next one, and this is a wireless charger station. And it has the 6-pack of the aircraft on it. So you have three wireless chargers here. One's for your phone, one is for your watch, and one is for your AirPods. We have the altimeter, an attitude indicator, as well as an airspeed indicator. And this plugs in via Type-C cable, which is included in the box. Core headsets provide a perfect option for student pilots looking for an entry-level passive headset. The quality is great. They're super clear and high durability. Very thick ear seals as well as a head pad will make this comfortable on your head, and the big oversized heavy-duty mic will stand up to the trials that most student pilots put them through during their training. Well, the durability is top-notch. This KA1 core headset can be found on sportys.com for under 200 bucks. And number 10 on our list is the Crew Pack from ASA. This was specifically designed for commercial pilots to take with them on their rollerboard on long cross-country flights in commercial operations. It's an all-black bag with lots of storage options. And they took the shoulder straps of this bag and hid them. That's what makes this bag so nice for commercial pilots. Many commercial pilots are not allowed to have a backpack with them when they're traveling in uniform. So you can hide these straps, but once you get out to your destination and you want to have a backpack to go around town in, you still have that option. Lots of different features on this bag are perfect for commercial pilots. They have a rollerboard strap here. They have pockets on the outside as well as organizers on the inside. Those are the top 10 products we have for October 2024. You can find all these products and more online at sportys.com.